Stock investing for beginners. How much can you make in stock market? And how much do you need to make this amount of profit? And I'm going to tell you 3 base skills that you need to master before making this amount of money. And also, what is stock investing? I'm going to tell you stock investing for beginners step by step. At the end of videos, you're going to know what you need to do to get started and how much money that you're going to need and what it takes to be successful. If you have any questions, comment down below. In October 1st to October 31st, 1 month, I made over 12,000, so close to 13,000. And how much did it cost me to make this amount of money? Commissions and fees only $112. Which business can you find that you only need to put $112 as a cost and to make over 12,000? It will be really hard to find a business like this. So do I have any losses? Yes, of course I have losses. I make most of my gains in short-term gain. So what is short-term gain? If you buy or sell, take profits in less than 1 year, it's called short-term gain. So this is for American residents, right? I'm using US stockbrokers. If it's long term, it means that if I buy or sell stocks that is over 1 year old, then I'm gonna get long-term gain. So I have some losses. I'm gonna look at all the losses and all the profits from the biggest loss to the biggest gain. Look at that, I'm getting more gain. You see, only a few losses. Yeah, the biggest loss was 6,500, but most of them are gains. If you look at this, go down. So I traded only 49 times, 49 positions. So this one, 183,000. I don't have that much money, master rich. So what should I do? No, you don't need that amount of money. This is combination of all the trades that I have ever done in the month of October. Then I sold them 196,000. The profit, the difference is the profits, 12,882.60. So you don't need lots of money, okay? And you could possibly maybe return with small amount of money. Look at that, only 70.51. The cost I got 3,614. And look at this, only 250.53. I got over 1348. And this one, zero. Then I even made 800, over 800, 829.46. Look at that. See? And of course, for stock investing, you may probably need more capital. So ASML 100 shares, I put in 82,500, so I sold it, 84,600, 2,000 profits. So what do you need? Okay, money is not an issue, and you need 4 different skill sets: stock investing, call options, put options, advanced option. So this is stock investing. So you need to know how to invest in great high quality business. But stock investing probably require more capital to get more money. And then call options. Call option, yes, you see this is call option. 250, I got over 1,300. So what's the difference between stocks and options? You will see the symbol. Only symbol is stocks. If you see something like expiration date, strike price, put option, so this is a put option. You also need put options. And the next one will be advanced option. Advanced options is combination of put option and call options. Some of them strategy include selling put option, selling cover call. And right now I don't even need to put out my capital, and I still made over 829. Look at this. So stock investing, call option, put options, advanced option. And second thing, what do you need? You need to make profits consistently. So lots of people say, hey, why do you profit every day? I don't like a profit every day because my profits are more than my losses. So as long as your profits cover losses, you don't have to worry about it. So make profits consistently. That's second step. Number one, probably the most important, I have over 10 years of experience. So even if you know all this knowledge, you need to have some experience to be able to control your emotions. So 10 years of experience, so you can discuss with me if you like. The link is going to be down below as well. You can get my over 10 years of experience right away, just like that. Okay, and what is stock investing? Stock investing is owning companies. Just like buying a house, stock investing is buying companies. So you own companies while you hold stocks. For if you hold Google stock, Alphabet stock, you own Google. If you own Apple stock, you are the shareholder of Apple. If you buy Meta's stock, you are becoming a Meta company owner. Very simple. Okay. So what are the risks in stock investing company? You could lose all your money or more if you don't learn or practice stock investing skills or option trading skills. Just like anything in your life, everything has risk. Okay, the biggest risk is not doing anything. If you do something that you do not know, that's called gambling. It can be like bakery. You are opening a bakery, but you don't know anything about baking cakes or bread, then you're gonna lose money. Even swimming activity has the risk of injury or death if you don't know or practice the skill of swimming. See, very simple, very simple. Just practice. Practice makes perfect, and you're gonna minimize the chance of losses and risk. And what do you need to open a stock trading account? You need to have citizenship or resident permit in the country that you live in. Resident permit means it can be student pass or work permit or permanent resident or temporary resident. And you also need a bank account. Of course, you need some cash. So how much to get started? For US residents, it's only $10, around $10. Fractional share, you can buy fractional shares. But if you live in other countries, it depends on the stockbrokers. But right now, more and more stockbrokers are allowing lower amount of capital, so you don't have to worry about it. And most people do not lose money because they don't have money. They lose money because they don't know how to invest or how to trade options, and they don't practice. Remember, so this should never be your concern. Some people say, I will only invest when I get rich. Remember, you only get rich because you invest, not the other way around. Okay, so you need to start from somewhere. $5, $10, whatever the amount. Then how to open a stock trading account? And you can click on stock brokerage firms in the US. You can look for it. It's going to show you a few, quite a lot. Look at that. Look at that. Google. And you can even open a stock trading demo account. Demo practice account. See? Don't use your own money before you know anything, okay, before you get consistent profit. Practice when you're learning stock investing, call option, put option, advanced option. Practice with demo account. There are so many free demo accounts. You don't need to pay money, okay? And so practice. Once you get consistent profits, then you can start using your own money. And I'll also give you some of my stock brokerage that I use. The link is going to be in the description of the video as well. If you want to learn more, you can go to Master Rich Stocks Option Crypto and go to playlist. You can learn about gold investing, advanced option trading, forex trading. And if you want to know how much I make while traveling, you can click on this one. And you can also learn about bond investing, stock market predictions and analysis, celebrity speeches, go for live, and my favorite stock as well. You see, I give you so many things. Finance, highest paying jobs, and that's pretty good. Option trading, success, how to videos. If you want to learn step by step how I trade, how to videos, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as well, stock trading, credit card. Yep. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.